Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming basics. Search the person's name in Facebook and paste the profile URL into a browser. If you see nothing, immediately open Messenger and find the conversation. A missing thread or you can't reply, hint means a block or deactivation. Once done, visit a mutual friend's profile and click their friends or tagged photos to access the target profile indirectly. This rules out simple search issues versus an actual block and gets you into the investigative. Now you move into verification. You should ask a trusted friend to search the person and open their profile. If they can see it but you cannot, that strongly indicates you're blocked. Make a controlled test. Try tagging the person in a comment and observe the error message, or send a quick messenger note and watch delivery status. Also, check a cached Google result or open Facebook in incognito to rule out local account or app issues. These steps separate block from deactivation or visibility settings. Finish by checking your own blocked list in settings. If they appear there, you've blocked them and can unblock immediately. If they blocked you, confirm with a mutual friend or a safe test account. Ask the friend to message or reintroduce contact. If the results still seem inconsistent, make sure your app is updated, clear cache, or reinstall Facebook. Sometimes visibility problems are bugs. Troubleshooting tip: when in doubt, use a mutual friend to confirm status before taking further action to avoid misinterpretation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.